Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. In today's video I am going to show you how to get unlimited Google Photo storage for free and legally, and that is coming up. Okay, in order to get unlimited Google Photo storage you need two things. First, a phone or a computer with active internet connection. Second, a new Gmail account. So first of all, head over to your Google Photos app. As you can see in this account, my storage is completely full. I've used all 15 GB. So let me show you my secondary account, which should be empty. As you can see, my secondary account is completely empty. 0% is used. Alright, in order to get unlimited Google Photo storage, first of all, switch to your main account, then tap on your profile icon, then scroll down, select photo settings. After that, tap on sharing, select partner sharing. From these, leave all as it is, then click on select partner. Now in this box, type your new Gmail account. After that, click on confirm. And now when you switch to your secondary account, you should be able to see a notification. If you don't see the notification, just go to your Gmail and select your secondary account. There you will see an email from Google Photos. Just open it and click on view invite and tap on accept and then click on confirm. After that, when it says auto save picture from your other account, just tap on get started, then select save all photos and click on confirm. Now what you are doing is you are sharing your Google Photos from your main account to your secondary account. Once your all photos are saved from your main account to your secondary account, then you can delete photos from your main account to free up some space. So there you have it guys, that is my video on how to get unlimited Google Photo storage for free. If you want to download all your Google Photos all at once, then you can watch this video and I will see you in this video. Until then, have a nice day and stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.